Jambo, my name is Maggie and welcome to the Lugha YouTube channel, where I'll be teaching you the Swahili language. So, whether you're a beginner or intermediate, this is a great place for you to learn or improve your Swahili and begin speaking with other Swahili speakers. Like me, I am Swahili speaker. For the first lesson, I'll be covering basic introduction and greetings. So, make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn on notification to know when we upload future lessons. So, as I told you today, we are going to start with the introduction and greetings. The first introduction in Swahili language is habari. Habari, the answer is nzuri or salama. So, when a Swahili speaker tells you habari, that means how are you? The answer is nzuri or salama, like I'm fine, I'm good. So, habari, nzuri. When you're told habari, you should say nzuri or salama, because nzuri and salama means the same thing, like I'm fine, I'm okay. The next one is hujambo. Hujambo. When someone tells you hujambo, that means how are you doing? So the answer is sijambo. That means I am doing fine, I am doing okay. So hujambo, sijambo. Hujambo, sijambo. The next one is commonly used by teenagers in many countries that speak Swahili. Many teenagers like to use this kind of greeting, like mambo. Mambo, the answer is poa. Mambo, poa. Mambo, poa. So mambo is like how are you, or hello, hi, and you say like fine, cool, I'm fine, I'm okay. So that's a special greeting for the teenager. I like to use it mostly in Tanzania. And also there's special greeting for the elders in Swahili language. In Swahili language, we have our special greeting for the elders, which is shikamo. Shikamo. That means I give you my respect. Shikamo means I give you my respect. The answer is marahaba. That means I accept your respect, or I receive your respect. So this is a special greeting for the elders and older people. So when you meet elder people, whether men or women, you should say shikamo, and they will answer marahaba. Shikamo, marahaba. And also in Swahili language, there's a greeting according to the time of the day. It's like in English language, greeting according to the time of the day. Example, good morning. Good morning in Swahili language is habari za asubuhi. Habari za asubuhi, that means good morning. Habari za asubuhi, good morning. Habari za mchana in English is good afternoon. So habari za mchana, good afternoon. Habari za jioni means good evening. So good evening everyone. Habari za jioni everyone. Habari za jioni. So good evening in Swahili language is habari za jioni. And when you want to say good night to whether your family members, to your brother, to your fiancé, to your boyfriend, in Swahili language you should say usiku mwema. Usiku mwema. Usiku mwema means good night. Usiku mwema means good night. That's the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope you was able to learn something. So, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Bye! Kwaheri!